Hello, myself Anita Singh. In this video, I would like the children to know about peer and peer pressure. Now, let me tell you about peers. Well, who are the peers? People who are of your age, who are all studying in your class, your classmates, are your peers. So, in life, or even at your age, children, making decisions on your own is sometimes hard, and it becomes more harder when somebody influences you or forces you to make decision which you might not be readily accepting it, but still you'd go for it. This is called peer pressure. When someone influences you how to act, how to behave in your life, or when you take decisions on others' view. This is called peer pressure. So children who all are of your age, your classmates, they are called peers. And when they try to influence you and you try to behave in accordance to their decisions, this is called peer pressure. Now, peer pressure is sometimes very positively accepted. Like if in your class, any one of your classmates is very good in solving math quiz or puzzles, or very good in memorizing the question answers of history, or learning the scientific names and science, and you start admiring him. And then you feel that, yes, I should do like him. So you're getting influenced on a very positive way. So thus, peers do get a positive influence on our life. But at times, peers do have negative influence also on us. Like, if your classmates ask you to bunk the classes or to tell lies, to cheat, and if you readily accept their views and start acting in accordance to their views, then that gives a negative influence in your life. So we all, like we children, sometimes peer influence each other in negative ways also. Like if few kids in the class start bunking the classes, or they tell lies to their parents or to their teachers, they cheat, then you might feel that this is not good. If your inner conscience does not allow you to follow them, you should not. Because every time the peers are not going to give you positive influences, they are negative also. Now I want to let us all know, why do children give in to peer pressure? This is because the child doesn't want to be left out. Because the child wants to fit in the group. He too wants to be admired. The child does not want to be made fun of by others. So the idea that everyone is doing it, why shouldn't I? This makes the kids leave their better judgment. What they themselves feel correct, they leave it and they start following others just because of peer pressure. In the next video, I will let you all know what are the roles of the parents to check their child from getting bad influence of the peers. Thank you. Hello, myself Mrs. Anita Singh.